Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to virtual learning lesson. I hope you are fine in health, students. In the last lecture, we have done item 19 and we also done the item 20. Today we are going to do item 19 and we will do the page 48 and page 49 from your active English book, and this is your video number 25. Item 20, and this is page 48 in your active English book. There is. Here you will learn about the use of there is. Is for one thing or for one person. Just like there is a boy. If only one boy, there is a boy, there is a girl, she is a girl, he is a boy. So is for one thing. In the previous page, you learned about the more than one. There you learned about the there are for more than one things and for more than persons. There are boys, there are girls, there are books. But here you will learn about the use of there is. In picture number 1, students, you can see one cloud, a cloud. So we will say there is a cloud. There is a cloud. There is a cloud in the sky. There is a cloud in the sky. In picture number 2, we can see a book and a radio. We will read this one. There is a book behind the radio. There is a book behind the radio. Radio is in front of the book. So there is a book behind the radio. Radio is in front and book is behind the radio. Picture 3. In picture 3, you can see playground. So we can also see our tree. Where is tree? Yes, tree is in the middle of the playground. This is a playground. You can see there are slides, swing, seesaw. But the tree is in the middle. So we will talk about a tree. There is a tree in the middle of the playground. There is a tree in the middle of the playground. In number 4, we can see a picture and a clock. There is a clock in front of the picture. There is a clock in front of the picture. Clock is in front. And where is the picture? Picture is behind the clock. Pic- Picture is behind the clock, and the clock is in front of the picture. Number 5. In number 5, we can see a house and we can see the road. There is a house at the side of the road. There is a house at the side of the road. In this page, students, you learn about for one thing, we will use is. Is. And we also revise our behind, in front of, middle, and side of. Okay. So just like in the picture number 2, you can see a book is behind the radio. Radio is in front of the book. In number 3, the tree is in the middle. The tree in the middle of the playground. In the picture number 4, we can see a picture and a clock. So clock in front of the picture and the picture is behind the clock. And we can see in the number 5, house and a road. The house is at the side of the road. There is a house at the side of the road. Our this page is completed. Now we are going to do the next page. Item 20 and page 49. Page 49. Here students you will learn about the is there blank. Is there? These are the interrogative question statements. Is there? Question. Number 1. See the picture carefully. In picture number 1, you can see a table and you can see book on the table. Is there? If there is a book on the table. So this is a simple sentence. If we will use is beginning at the beginning, so it will be the question sentence, interrogative sentence. Is there a book on the table? Is there a book on the table? See the picture carefully, then you can give the answer. Yes, there is. You will give the answer, yes, there is, or no, there is not. Okay. But in this picture, we can see a table and we can see a book on the table. So is there a book on the table? This is a question. So we give the answer, yes. After yes or no, we will put the comma. Yes, there is. There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. Is there a book on the table? This is a question. Answer, yes, there is. There is a book on the table. Number 2. In the picture, in the number 2, we can see a wall and we can see a picture. Again, question, is there a picture on the wall? If the sentence will be like this one, there is a picture on the wall, so this will be the simple sentence. But when we will use is at the beginning, then it will be the question sentence, interrogative sentence. Is there a picture on the wall? And at the end we will put the question mark. Is there a picture on the wall? Answer, yes, there is. There is a picture on the wall. There is a picture on the wall. Is there a picture on the wall? Yes, there is. There is a picture on the wall. Number three, in number three, look at the picture. What you can see? Yes, we can see a desk. Is there a cat on the desk? Is there a cat on the desk? No, there is not. There is not a cat on the desk. Is there a cat on the desk? We cannot see any cat, so we will say no. No, there is not. There is not a cat on the desk. After this, we will do the read aloud words. We'll make the words with CL and GL. First with the CL, clock, clock. First sound is clock, clock, CLO, and the last sound is K, K, clock, clock, CLO, CK, clock, 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 CLO, clock, CK, clock, clock. In picture number 2, we can see classroom, class, class. When you are going to write, first you write class, 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 class. Then room, 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 classroom, classroom. CLASS, class, ROOM, room, classroom, classroom. Okay. After classroom, cloud, 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 CLO. First sound like the clock, clock, but the last sound is D, cloud, D, cloud, 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 cloud. Next words with yes, clean, 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 CL, the first sound, the last sound is N, clean, 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 clean. Yes, next picture, we can see glass, glass, CLASS, glass, CLASS, glass, glass. Next, the last one picture, we can see three glasses, glasses. One glass, one, and the next one is plural, glasses. So first we will write a glass, the same spelling, GLASS, glass. But when we will make the plural, we will add ES, ES. Then it will be glasses, GLASS, glass, ES, glasses. Okay, clock, classroom, cloud, clean, glass, and glasses. You have to learn these words carefully with their spellings for your dictation. Now we are going to do the next page. Yes, this is a page of your workbook. Item same, item 20. And this page is page 28. Page 28 in your workbook. In picture number 1, you can see there is an orange on the plate. There is an orange on the plate. There is, because only one apple. Sorry, because there is only one orange. So there is. But in the picture number 2, you can see not only one boy, there are three boys. There are three boys in the board. So we will use are, not is, because the boys are three. In the picture number 3, we can see one cup. So we will use only for one is. Yes, there is a cup on the saucer. For one thing is, for more are. Okay, we will complete this page now. Yes, students, there is an orange on the plate. There, picture number 2, the boys are three. So there are three boys in the board. There are three boys in the board. In picture number 3, there is a cup, because only one, so is, not are. There is a cup on the saucer. Okay. In picture number 4, we can see two cats. Two cats. There are two cats in the box. Two. Cats are two, so we will use are. If only one, then is. Number 5, there is a doll in the cupboard. There is a doll in the cupboard. Number 6, there are 4 glasses on the table. Number 7, there is a dog. Only one dog, so we use is. There is a dog in the box. Number 8, there are 3 cups on the table. Number 9, there is an orange in the box. Only one orange, an orange. There is an orange in the box. Yes, students, now we will do this page, item 20, the page number 29 in your workbook. Number 1 is about the question or interrogative sentence which you did in your book. Is there a cloud in the sky? If you will see, so you will say yes there is, but if you cannot see, you will say no there is not. Okay, you will give the answer like this way. Yes, number 2 is also done for you. This example. Is there a radio on the table? No, there is not, because we cannot see any radio. So we'll say no, there is not. Okay. Number 3, we can see in picture number 3, there is a clock on the table. So is there a clock on the table? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Number 4, is there a cat on the chair? No, there is not. Number 5, is there a picture on the wall? Yes, there is. Number 6, is there a tree in front of the house? We cannot see any tree, so we'll give the answer. We will write no, there is not. Picture 7, we cannot see anything on the plate. So, is there an apple on the plate? No, there is not. Number 8, is there a radio on the table? Yes, there is. Number 9, is there a clock on the table? We cannot see any clock, so we will write no, there is not. I think you understand in a good way. Now students, our this item 20 is finished now. So you should do the practice of this lesson. Please revise carefully and learn this one, these difficult words with the spelling. I will see you in your next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.